for Bahasa Indonesia and Dutch. This column is in Indonesian, this column is in English, and this one is in Dutch. Period or full stop, titik in Dutch, punt, comma or comma in Indonesian, koma in Dutch, komma. Colon in Indonesian, titik dua. Dua is two. In Dutch, dubbele punt in one word. Dubbel, double, punt, period. Dubbele punt, one word. Semicolon in Indonesian, titik, koma. I will repeat, titik, koma. In Dutch, it's also translated as dot or punt or period and then comma. The same in Indonesian because Indonesian absorbed from Dutch or use the same technique. In Dutch is in one word, even though it's from punt and then comma, but you write it in one word. Punt, comma. Exclamation mark or exclamation point in Indonesian, tanda seru. In Dutch, is also from exclamation and then this one, mark, but in one word. Uitroepteken. In Indonesian is the mark or sign, tanda, and then second word is seru, exclamation or shout, and this one in Dutch is the same with English but in one word. Question mark in Indonesian, tanda tanya. In Dutch, one word, vraagteken. In Indonesian, the sign or mark and then second word, tanya. It's not tanja, tanja, tanya. It's like how you pronounce kanye. Tanya, tanya. Tanya is ask because to make it as question you have to add prefix and suffix. To be exact, this tanya can be translated as ask, but yeah, if you want to force it into question, yeah, a bit. You have to make it as pertanyaan. Add the prefix per or pe and suffix an, but it becomes pertanyaan, question. The Dutch one is question here and then mark here in one word. Slash in Indonesian, garis miring. The G in Indonesian is like when you pronounce go or ga is ga. Garis miring. Garis is line or stripe, line. miring incline, garis miring slash. And in Dutch, even though the way you write it, it's quite the same, or it is the same with English, but the way you pronounce it, it's a bit different. Slash, slash. And hyphen or dash, it's either this or this. In Indonesian, it can be translated as strip. It is absorbed from Dutch, even though the one in Dutch is already a bit changed or transformed, because it's strip, but in Dutch into streepje. Is straight line, but a small one, so it gets suffix y. Little or small line. Streepje with the suffix y to make it as little or small, but in Indonesian it is still this version without the suffix. Strip, strip for hyphen or dash. But if you want to be specific, for hyphen in Indonesian is either this and this, or this and this. The words that are in the KBBR, KBBI, or in Indonesian KBBI, Kamus Besar Bahasa Indonesia, the Great Dictionary of Indonesian Language, is this one. But in daily, we also use another kind of formal phrase for it, with this, which is this one. It's also the same later. In KBBI or KBBI, you will find here this one. You will find this one. But in daily formal, it is a formal phrase, but we use this one more often than this one. Tanda hubung. You already know what tanda is, and hubung is connect or relate. But in daily writing or conversation, we use this one. It's also formal. We add the prefix pe, but because this base or basic or original word, it has this H letter as initial, the prefix has to be peng instead of pe. It's not penghubung, it becomes penghubung. It means which connect, which make relation. Tanda penghubung or tanda hubung. In Dutch, we have two kind of. One is the one in one word. Koppelteken. Koppel, couple, and you already know what teken is, but it's one word. Koppelteken. The P has to be bold. Sometimes my P is not bold enough. I will repeat. Koppelteken. Yes. And the other one is in two words. This one is here. Little or small line, stripe. The line is small or little and also short. Court. In two words. Court, streepje. And this one, dash. In Indonesian, tanda pisah. Pisah is separate. And this one, we add the prefix pe, but in this case, because this base or basic or original word has letter P as initial, this prefix pe change the initial into M. It becomes pemisah. Cannot pepisah, cannot pengpisah. It has to be pemisah. And this one cannot be pehubung, cannot be penghubung, but it has to be penghubung. Tanda pisah, tanda pemisah. Pisah is separate, pemisah which separates. And the Dutch one, this one is kort, short, and this one is lang, long. It is a small or little line, but long. And in 2 words, lang streepje. Thank you.